What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video on the POCO F5, and today in this video it's gonna be a gaming review experience of the latest EvolutionX ROM on the POCO F5. And if you're wondering which build is this is the latest 9.3 EvolutionX, and the build date here is of 22nd August 2024. First, let me show you the benchmarks of this specific build. And by the way guys, I'll be soon reviewing the latest 22nd August 2024 build of the EvolutionX ROM, so do stay tuned for that. But for now, let's focus on the gaming review. Before starting the test, let me actually show you my battery temperature is currently at 36.4 degrees Celsius. So in terms of the graphics settings, I have combat mode smooth and extreme plus, and even for the lobby I have smooth and extreme plus. So I'm getting 90 FPS pretty much all the time, and it's a very smooth experience as you can see. So I'm going to start arena training over here. Let me just select that and let's start. By the way guys, I'm not a pro mobile gamer or anything. I do not really play games on mobile phones, so I don't have much experience. But yeah, let me show you how is the gaming performance on this. So I'm getting 80 to 90 FPS. With this game space, I have this FPS mode on. Let's try with the gyro on. If you're someone who plays with gyro, it will be helpful. So yes, overall performance is great. It's always 90 FPS for almost. So yes, overall the performance is great. And by the way, okay, so I just died. And here from the graphic settings, let me just change the graphic settings maybe to HD or HDR. Yes, HDR and extreme. Let's try that. And with that, as you can see, the FPS just drops to 60. It doesn't have 90 FPS with that kind of settings. But yes, I have to say the graphics looks way better with these settings. So yes, that's enough BGMI, I would say. Let's check the battery temperature for now. Well, it reached 38 degrees. And I've been gaming for about 5 minutes, I would say. So yes, I can say that's a decent amount of temperature increase in room temperature, I would say. And here, let's just close all the apps and I'll keep the device for some time to actually cool down. Then I'll start. For now, again, the temperature has dropped to about 35-36 degrees. So I'm gonna start playing Call of Duty. But let me just go into the audio and graphics. I have the graphics quality right here and you can set it to low and ultra. Then we have the frame rate adjustment and you can turn it on and the frame rate to 120. Let's enable some experimental features like the super resolution and stuff. So let's just start the match for now. You can see the FPS right here and the volume panel looks really cool in this ROM as you can see. So here it shows 120 FPS.
Enemy contact.
God damn, these lobbies are so much weird.
Enemy contact. Enemy taking C. Enemy taking Alpha. Targets in sight. Enemy has E. Enemy taking Delta. We're capturing Delta. Enemy down. Hunter killer drone standby. Captured Charlie. Captured Delta. We're capturing Echo. Lost the lead. Target down. Enemy taking Bravo. Enemy taking Delta. Contact with enemy! Hostile sentry gun in your AO. We're capturing E. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. We captured E. Lost the lead. Changing back. Hunter killer drone deployed. Enemy. Tango down. Enemy taking E. Target down. Losing Alpha. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. We lost E.
Okay, so the overall performance in my opinion in Call of Duty, it's much more optimized it seems. And overall, even though it's a totally online kind of game,
Capturing
the overall graphics and stuff, even with the lowest quality, it seems really nice.
lost Alpha. Lost captured Alpha. We've lost the mega point. We're capturing E. Reloading. Cover me. Enemy. capturing Mega Point. Bring it up, squad. Reloading! Our enemy's XS-1 Goliath. We've captured the Mega Point. Target's in sight!
Okay, so the overall experience of playing Call of Duty on this was really good, and I have to say the FPS did maintain about 120. So yeah, that's a really good experience overall in this ROM. You can game up to about 90 to 120 FPS. High FPS games pretty much are working well. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, on the POCO F5, and in my opinion this particular build did really well with gaming. Even if you're a gamer, you can definitely flash this ROM and you can enjoy gaming on this particular build. And of course, I'll be making a full review separately, so do stay tuned for that. Until next time, please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends if you feel like. This is Tito from KTNTECH signing off for today. I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.